Yeah, I know it's called the Show Us Your Steak challenge, but I wanted to make an omelette. I hope that's okay. It's bacon in it too. This is really good. Really good. I was tagged by someone for a month ago. Stupid, I can't remember who it was. But you can write a comment and I'll add your link in the description. But then last week I was tagged again by Tom, Cimbrer Bushcraft. And then I thought, alright, I have to make this video. The idea with the challenge was to highlight men's mental health, which is a good cause. Maybe this is the best way to deal with mental health. To be out, sit by the fire and relax. In the crazy world of ours. And have a cup of coffee, of course. That was some strong coffee, but good. Well, I'm not going to pretend to be an expert in this, but I can share some thoughts that I have on this subject. Mental health. It's a universal. It's the same for men and women, of course. But one thing that works for me is to live here and now and just enjoy that. I believe it's a lot of things today that creates stress. They say that mental health has gone worse, both men and women, in the last 10 years or so. That's the only way to feel good in life, to be yourself. To dare to be yourself. I think it's harder today with the internet, with smartphones and social media and stuff. It takes us away from here and now and takes us away from what's good for us. We're always somewhere else inside, and I don't think that is good in the long run. We need to focus on here and now. What we're doing right now. I think I'll give a shout out to Spijkerpoes. I don't think I said that right, but in Netherlands, if you want to make something, you can do so about this subject or whatever.